Which way do you want to go? Right leads to... Look! That boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass. That's perfect! That was a blast! Full steam ahead! Pick... Oh no! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks! You can help out by dragging them back into their pen. Good job! We're always happy to help. Where to now? Left leads to... Great! Just slice or tap it to open. Right leads to the tunnel. The tunnel is nearby. Right leads to the boat. The tunnel is nearby. Rusted bolts! The tunnel's collapsed and our friend is stuck. Can you piece it all back together? Well done! That was off the rails! Which way do you want to go? Left leads. The Great Waterton Station's coming up. Right leads to the Boulder Cliffs. The Great Waterton Station's coming up. The passengers have arrived. Annie says thank you. You've got this. Help the engine jump the big bridge. Tap as fast as you can on the buttons to make the engines go, go, go. Again!